Hi, my name is Jaden, and in this video I will be talking about solar monitoring. One of the biggest changes in the solar industry in recent years is the addition of solar system production and consumption monitoring. There are currently two types of solar monitoring in the market, the first being standard inverter production monitoring, which comes embedded in the inverter device. The second is a range of additional add-on products which provide live data that is much more detailed, providing numerous insights into your system production and household consumption habits. All in-style solar inverters now come with production monitoring as a standard, as long as you have a Wi-Fi network connection or a solid 4G data signal at the location of your installed inverter. This type of production monitoring details the basic information about your system's energy generation figures, grid export, and any error messages that your system may be experiencing. You can view and scroll through these data categories on the external inverter screen. Some inverter brands also have a more user-friendly mobile app. The app allows you to look at the information in a digestible layout and often alerts you if your system isn't functioning correctly. Additional solar consumption monitoring software includes the data mentioned above, but with extra detail. Not only can you see what you've produced via the rooftop system and what you have exported back to the grid or stored in your battery, but you can also view detailed information about what power you've used from your solar system. You are able to access this information by logging into a desktop browser or mobile app. Having this detailed information at your fingertips via an easy-to-use app gives you a good expectation of your next electricity bill and whether you will be in credit. This is not a standard solar monitoring product, but we highly recommend adding this to your solar system. You can purchase an energy or smart meter from Fronius inverters or add the solar analytics product to any system regardless of the inverter brand. Solar Analytics operates on a 4G network and continually transfers updated data in 15-minute increments, so you can see what your system is producing and your household consumption in real time. The detailed data received from devices like the Fronius smart meter or Solar Analytics allows you to make smart changes to the way power is used within the home and continually save on power bills. With this insight, you will be able to confidently predict upcoming bills and savings and get the most out of your system. In the following two videos, I will be going through a detailed explanation of two monitoring programs, iSolarCloud and Solar Analytics.